Hello! In this video, we'll talk about the most common myths and facts about automatic transmission cars. Let's get started. Car. Myth. Automatic transmission cars consume too much fuel. Fact. This used to be true because older automatic transmissions were less efficient. But today's modern automatic transmissions, especially CVT, DSG, and ECVT, offer fuel consumption that is nearly identical to manual vehicles, and in some cases can even be more economical. Myth. Automatic transmission cars always roll backward on hills. Fact. New generation automatic vehicles have a hill hold or hill start assist system. This prevents the vehicle from rolling backward on slopes. In older models, the risk of rolling backward is greatly reduced when the D gear and handbrake are used correctly. Myth. Brake pads wear out very quickly in automatic vehicles. Fact. This is not true. Under normal use, brake pads have the same lifespan as those in manual vehicles. In fact, in some automatics, the engine braking feature, L, S, or manual mode, can make the brakes last longer. Myth. Maintaining automatic transmission cars is very expensive. Fact. Some additional maintenance, such as transmission oil changes, may be required, but when done regularly, it does not create extra costs. Also, the maintenance of automatic transmission vehicles today is not as expensive as you might think compared to manual vehicles. Myth. When automatic vehicles break down, they cannot be repaired. The entire transmission must be replaced. Fact. False. Today, most automatic transmissions can be repaired. Parts can be replaced, and repairs can be made at specialist service centers. Cases requiring complete replacement are rare. Myth. Driving an automatic car is very easy. You don't need to pay attention. Fact. Driving is easy, but caution is still very important. Especially shifting to N or R at the wrong time can damage the transmission. Also, when stopping and starting in traffic, it is necessary to develop proper usage habits instead of keeping your foot on the brake constantly. As you can see, there are many misconceptions about automatic transmission cars. When used correctly, they can be comfortable, safe, and economical. What myths have you heard? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.